All right, I wanted to share a really brief tutorial on how to add assignments in beta. Let me just say that this is only available for G Suite participants. So if you're not part of Google for Education, then you would not be able to access this. So basically, you're just typing in assignment.google.com. Of course, I've already gone through this process before, so it's already in my search bar. And it will take you directly to this screen right here. And if it's your first time using this, it will display a notification that you need to make sure you're in the right account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new course because I don't obviously have one in here, and I'll just title it sample, no section. And it's very simple, just kind of running you through. Title, we're going to sample that as well. And follow directions. And I'm just going to choose a random attachment. You can decide the total points. The due date, I'll make that tomorrow. The attachment, I'll just choose one. Whatever is popping up available. And I will go ahead and add that. You can add an additional documents, rubric, and of course you can choose if you want to enable your originality report, and I will publish. All right, and once it is published, and it should come right along, it gives you an option to copy the link for your students, and I'll click out of that. And it also has a coming up soon feature of copying the grades, and this will integrate into Google Classroom once it comes out of beta. Just for the time being, to get your students accustomed to having assignments delivered to them like this would be a great application feature. And that's about sums it up.